WD-40, we all know it, and most of us have a can lying around somewhere. But are you using it the right way? In this video, we're going to break down the do's and don'ts of WD-40. You'll learn where this product really shines and where you should definitely think twice before spraying it. Let's start with the do's. First up, it's great for loosening rusty bolts and nuts. Just spray it on. Give it a minute or two to penetrate, and you'll often be able to twist those stuck parts free without breaking a sweat. It's also perfect for stopping squeaky hinges. One spray on a noisy door hinge can instantly silence the annoying creak. WD-40 is also handy for removing sticky residue like tape glue, sticky gunk, or even chewing gum stuck on the bottom of your shoe. Just spray it on and wipe it off, and it's like new again. Another great use? Protecting tools from rust. A light spray over your metal tools create a protective barrier that helps prevent rust, especially if they're stored in a damp garage. And finally, it works wonderful for unsticking zipper. A tiny spritz on a stuck zipper track and it'll slide smoothly all over again. Now let's talk about the don'ts. While WD-40 is amazing, it's not a fix-all. First, don't use it as a long-term lubricant. WD-40 is great for quick fixes, but it dries out over time. For things like bike chains or machinery that need constant lubrication, you're better off using grease or a proper lubricant. Next, avoid spraying it on plastic or rubber parts. While it might seem helpful over time, WD-40 can actually break down certain plastic and rubbers, causing damage instead of fixing the problem. Another big one, don't use it on electrical contacts. Even though WD-40 does displace moisture, it's not designed for electronics. For cleaning circuits, use a dedicated contact cleaner. Also, don't use it inside locks, like door locks or padlocks. It can gum up the pins and make the lock harder to use over time. Instead, go for a graphite powder. It's made for that purpose. And finally, never spray WD-40 near open flames or heat sources. It's flammable, so always use it in a well-ventilated area and store it safely. So there you have it. WD-40 is a super useful product, but like anything, it works best when used the right way. Use it smartly, and it'll help keep your tools, gadgets, and gear running smooth for years. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips,